Want to unlock the full analytical power of Tableau and create truly interactive dashboards? Let's start with parameters. Parameters are user-defined values that, when linked to visualizations, create dynamic and interactive features. First, navigate to the data panel on the left side, right-click, and select Create Parameter. This action will bring up the parameter creation window. Give your parameter a descriptive name in the first text box. For example, call it Select Region, then choose the appropriate data type from the drop-down, and how the parameter will list the options. Now, select List under Allowable Values. This lets you choose from existing data. Next to Value field, select the data field that will populate the list, such as region, then click OK. You've now created your first parameter. Fantastic! Now to interact with your created parameter, right-click on your newly created parameter to reveal the Show Parameter Control option. Select this option, and the parameter control will now appear to the right on your screen. Now, let's create calculated fields. Calculated fields are where the magic happens. They allow the addition of custom calculations and logic within your data. Go to the Analysis tab at the top and select Create Calculated Field. In the Calculated Field editor, give your field a name that indicates its purpose, then enter your formula using Tableau's intuitive syntax, or browse by using the function pane on the right for more complex formula structures. Once your calculation is complete and valid, with the calculation is valid message, click OK. Let's display our calculated field on our visualization. Drag the new calculated field to the area in the marks card that aligns with your visualization type, like rows or columns. This will create a new field on the visualization. Finally, you may need to format the resulting field to reflect proper formatting. And there you have it, parameters and calculated fields. Use them to transform your dashboards into a dynamic, powerful tool for data exploration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tips.